Tasha, sorry for the flash. Can't take that off now. How do you feel about this burping
I
contest?
feel like I'm really weak at burps today, and I'm probably not going to win this time.
Is that all you have to say, Tasha?
No, hold on.
Any trash talk?
That was
Andy,
cute.
you better be prepared. Andy, how do you feel about this burping
That's
contest?
right.
Burping contest.
I feel amazing, and I'm gonna beat Natasha.
Oh, you're going to beat me today,
Yes,
Andy?
I am.
How are you going to manage this? How
I
are you
have
gonna...
soda.
I also have soda.
Mine's better.
What do you got?
Mountain Dew.
It's not Code Red, so it's not better. Dab on the haters.
Tasha,
Okay.
are you prepared to burp? This is your burp. This is the contest now.
Hold on. I can do better.
That's all you get in this one. Andy, your turn to burp.
We get 2 rounds this time. Because we got 2 rounds last time. Till Andy conceded. That sounded like an old sounded like a car horn.
Tasha! Round
kinda
2
weak.
for Andy. Are you prepared, Anderson?
No.
Go burp.
Alright, Josh, you
Are
get to
you
be the
done?
voting party.
Yeah.
That doesn't count.
Tasha won.
Wait,
Yeah,
yeah,
Tasha
you.
did win.
Josh, who won?
Natasha won.
I'm still burping.
Tasha, how do you feel about your win? For the second time. That's not words. Use your words, Natasha.
Soda.
Andy, how do you feel about losing for the second time in
Andy,
a row?
again
Hey,
you
I'm
lost.
the newscaster here. Be quiet. How do you feel like losing to a girl for a second time in a row?
Yeah, it's alright. I went easy on her. Wait for part 3.
Okay. Joshua, how did you as an audience feel about this burping contest? You better not say anything negative or I'll punch you.
Wait, so he's the audience and the judge?
Yes.
Yeah, how
yeah.
does the
He's
audience
the only
become
audience
the
member.
judge?
Be quiet,
I'm-
okay? I'm the
I'm just-
cameraman.
Well,
Or maybe you're just the judge. Our viewers are the audience.
oh.
Viewers!
Oh!
Viewers, how did you feel about this YouTube video? Give us a thumbs up and comment your response.
And look out for part 3.
They're gonna hate us.